Oh no! Storing food is a fiasco. You wrangle and tangle with wrap, you tug and toil with foil, and you'll never find a storage lid that fits. If you want fast and easy food storage, don't sweat it. Stretch it with Stretch and Fresh, the amazing stretchable silicone storage covers you just stretch, grip, and press for the perfect seal. Stretch and Fresh stretches up to 3 times its original size and grips the container like magic. With Super Stretch silicone technology, Stretch and Fresh stretches and grips to fit the container. Just press and push out excess air and create an airtight seal that locks in freshness. Now, pull it back to release the seal, and you're ready to serve. Stretch and Fresh comes in sizes you need for single servings, family-size servings, and even party-size servings, sealed and ready to store. Use Stretch and Fresh thousands of times, and it automatically returns to its original size. With Stretch and Fresh, the fit is always airtight. Watch this, a gallon of fruit punch. Now that's a real seal. Stretch and Fresh stays sealed so there's no mess. Stretch and Fresh is temperature safe for freezer storage or for reheating foods in the microwave. It rinses clean in seconds, is dishwasher safe, and stores flat in any drawer. You can spend over $100 for a food sealer, waste hours looking for lids, and keep dumping your wrap, foil, and cash in the trash. Or get 4 Stretch and Fresh silicone covers in 3 sizes for just $10. But wait, call now and we'll double the offer and send a second set free. Just pay separate processing and handling. That's right, you get 8 Stretch and Fresh silicone covers, a $30 value for just $10. Here's how to order.